Hello everyone, welcome back and let's start another weekly analysis. Hello guys, my name is Ivan and you are watching the Trejduj weekly analysis. For upcoming week we have picked the 3 most possible setups and we will also talk about gold. After the next week analysis I will walk you through the trades we took in the last week. We have banked plus 8.7% on our accounts with 788 pips caught. Let's go. Let's stretch a Fibo over the last high and last low. And we can clearly see the 50% of a Fibonacci level is laying on our placed zone of interest. Statistically, the market will get back at least 50% of its move before continuing in the direction. So we are projecting a long position here. On the lower time frame, you can see a flag pattern is forming and we could get a breakout on this level. So if we are taking a breakout position, you'll be taking a long position and move it slightly with a few pips and place a stop underneath the latest candles and move take profit to another zone. So when the price hit this level, we will go for a buy stop order. This order will give us a 1.7 risk ratio, which is good. But maybe we could get in a little bit sooner, but we need the market to offer us such an opportunity. So it's better for you to track it in our Telegram group to get in sooner. Let's move on. Euro New Zealand dollar also in a downtrending move. Last 2 days it was pushing against the trend and on Friday the price closed directly on our level. We can go both directions in here, but also we have a preference. Our preference is to form a doji on this level and continue in a downtrending move. So if we form a doji, we will be entering market with these settings. Again, the doji formed and we will place a sell stop order a few pips underneath the wick. So let's go for a short position and the stop loss a few pips above the doji, and the take profit will be on the last wick of these candles. So we are going for the risk ratio of 225, or you can close down for 2. Okay, we will see. Australian dollar cross New Zealand dollar. We like to trade this pair on the daily time frame. Just look at it because it's so clean. Anyway, dollars started ranging between the zones, and which is great opportunity for our strategy to take place in there. So for the daily strategy, we would be waiting for the price to hit bottom of the zone of the interest, but we can go and trade the lower time frames within the downtrend direction. So let's see a lower time frame, which is 4-hour time frame, and let's look at the zones here. We are projecting the sell positions from the daily time frame because we want to see the price to move to this area. So we are finding the entry points to take advantage of the move. There is a zone where we would like to participate in the bearish market. So if the market will get back to the zone, we can go for sell if it generates a doji or another entry signal. It would be a nice trade with these settings. So we are projecting a sell position around here and we will place a stop loss above this area, and we will go for a full potential trade to our zone. So this will give us a 2.5 risk ratio, which is great, and maybe this trade wouldn't ever pop up, but it's good to be prepared. Moving to gold. Gold has recently gone through the support previously created and starts continuing in the channel. It's interesting for us to trade gold in the channel, what we did in this week, but we will get to it soon. From a daily perspective, we can see our channel is touching the key level of 1700, where we want to start adding a long position. So let's see what we did on gold during this week. It was fire. In this week we were highly focused on gold. Together we have entered the 3 positions on gold. The first position was based on our weekly analysis, where we were talking about the inverted head and shoulder pattern, which came true, and after the retest we have cashed 2% and 150 pips on our account. Anyway, we have made a mistake and we have issued a signal to move stop loss after this break, which was hit. Some people in our group did it and had nothing from the trade, but many didn't, so learn from our mistake and let the trade breathe. Second and third position were quickly placed after another. Due to the fact the market gets stronger on our side after the first one, so we have entered the second one of these 2 with a bigger profit level. Both hit take profit and bring us together plus 5.2% to our accounts. The first entry was based on the broken trend line and the doji candle, and the second position was only a ding for it. Following a loss on the GBPJPY, entry was made under the 4-hour time frame, where we could see the market was stalling under the resistance and losing his steam to push through. We wanted to see a big red candle on our side of the market, but apparently we were wrong and the market pushed through, and we are taking a loss of 1% with minus 82 pips. CAD Chef. It was a quick one. Our guy touched the key level where we were projecting a short position for 27 pips and taking home 1.2%. And let's move to the last one of the week. USDJPY. The theory behind this trade starts under the 4-hour time frame, where you can see a last bounce the market created. After breaking resistance, which became the new support over time, the market started to create a flag pattern. The price was really close to the initial support, and that's when we switched to lower time frame, and when we saw a doji candle formed rejecting downwards, we stepped into market with a long position, catching quick 40 pips and 1.3% to our account. To sum up, this week was a fire for gold trades and everyone who is trading with us in our Telegram group. Make sure to join it via link in description, and let's have a chat in our chat group also. Altogether, we've banked plus 8.7% to our account with 788 pips called. It's so much, guys, and we know you want to maximize your profits, but you have to stay calm and build your account with us by the most conservative method that guards you from losing your money, and that's 1% method. My name is Ivan, and you were watching the Trejduj weekly analysis. Don't forget to like the video to show us you were here and subscribe for more Forex content coming. Also, you can press the bell to be notified when we upload a new analysis for the week. Get in touch with us via link in description. We are on Facebook, Instagram and Telegram. Hit us with message and we can talk about everything. Glad you are here. Bye.